Hey everybody, welcome back to another live stream here in Unreal Engine 4. We're Project Hero and we're building a game in C++, Unreal Engine 4 obviously, using blueprints in the gameplay ability system. So what we have right now, we left off yesterday for Tuesday. We created some new abilities for our actual movement and everything. So we can block, we can toss, we can throw weapons and shit. Not throw weapons. We can swing weapons. You know, it all looks pretty good. So what we need to do, we're going to try to move this logic into code. Because fuck it, let's do it, right? I want to learn C++, that's the point of me doing it this way. So we'll start with the attack. We already created the class in the last live stream. So we're just going to convert this. And just go from there. So, we need to create an integer for our attack index. So let's do that. So let's close out. And let's actually start coding. So we have our attack. So let's make a new public. That'll be U property. Actually, no, this shouldn't be a U property. This should actually be private. We don't really want to have access to it in the blueprint. So we'll say int attack index, and obviously when we initialize this ability, we'll initialize it to 0. I think we have to do what? uint 32. I think that'll make it happy. And then yeah, in our initializer we could just say attack index equals 0. And now I know we have to get some functions and override them. We need like event activate ability for 1. So we'll do that first. As soon as Visual Studio wants to. There we go. That a boy. So is there... Okay, so we need to find it. Activate ability. So do we want can activate ability, or do we just want... I don't think we need to have can activate ability, but maybe we should. We'll do both. Where are these functions, though? Activate ability. There we go. So we'll grab that guy. What is this under? Is this under the public namespace? Yes. Okay. Now there should be what? There's cancel ability, but is there... Where's the activate ability? Hey Sandra. Okay, so the whole time you just convert BP to code like you did at the end of the last stream and work with that code. Yeah. Like, again, it's not necessary to do this, honestly, because blueprint should be enough. But I'm just trying to learn C++, so that's the main thing about it. So can I have... So activate ability, is that not in here? Let's look at other. Let's look at Featherfall. Yeah, void activate ability. Why is that like... And we don't need the override. Or the virtual, I mean. And it's easier to prototype in Blueprint, obviously. So it's easy to just see, okay. Like, this is how it works. It works. Let's move it to C++ and get it to work. So let's implement these functions. For this one right now, we'll just say return true. So it has to return something. This one's void, so we don't really have to return anything. We can just activate it. Cool. I had the idea that you went in and wrote every function that makes the nodes work and stuff in code. This explains a lot. So a lot of the nodes and stuff that you see in Blueprint, like they are C++ code, but they're either from the Game Playability System plugin that we have, or it's just like in the engine code. Okay. The only reason I'm glad that compiles, that's all well and good, but I want to take like a screenshot of our logic. So let's get a snippet, and I can reference it later. All right, so we can keep this on the side. You guys don't have to see this. This is for good old Devin. We need to have also end ability. Okay. End ability. No? Does Featherfall have end ability? Yes. End ability. Implement this, and what we know with end ability, we have to iterate over our integer, our attack index. You'll see here. So we can do I guess we could just do what? Attack index plus plus. If attack index is greater than 2, attack index equals 0. I feel like there's a way to write that in one line. There has to be, right? Again, I can't remember this fucking way of writing it. Tertiary syntax. Yeah. Ternary is the word. And then, yeah, we gotta do what can we say? Attack index. I don't know if there's a way to write that better. We can just leave it like that for now. It doesn't have to be pretty. Now I'm kind of curious how we do a select in C++. UE4 C++ select. Unless we have like, what's the this is why I suck at C++. What is that name? Yeah, C++ logic. Logic operators. I think it's called a switch. It's C++ switch case. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So we can say, because like the select can work as a switch case, right? So basically, like switch attack index case case that, then we would say, I guess we have to make a name, right? So f name section name equals what? F name. Is there like a none or empty? Is there a way to make this fucking empty by default? Or can I just do like none? No. What's the best way to do it? UE4 initialize f name to none. Give me all. I guess I would have to do like this way. F name text. I'm gonna just do like none. Then we would say section name equals attack 1. Oh yeah, that's case 0. Then case 1. Case 2. I think that's all I need to do. Yeah, so we could just update these. Two, 3, and did I get rid of this? There should be, I think, what, like, is there, like, sorry, I'm all over the place thinking. C++, switch case. Let's look. So, and then we have to do a break and then set a default. Okay. Break. 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 Default. We'll say attack 1 is default. Okay, so we have our switch statement. Now we can just do a quick UE log, I think. So UE log. Log temp. Warning. What's the... how am I forgetting? Just text, right? Yeah. Can I do something like... section name? Wonder if that's valid. No. So what's the problem? Instantiated. No? Well, can I literally just do like section name? Oh. Log temp warning. I'm just drawing blanks today. What the fuck is wrong with me? Viewing logs, tags. Let's remind ourselves. Yeah, so that is how it is, right? So log temp, warning, text. Did I just say section name? Alright. Hey Shakama, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by. Right now we're failing miserably. Never say that. Well, I know I should. But yeah, we're just trying to convert some blueprints into C++. The invalid arguments passed. I mean, that's how you write that syntax, right? I feel like I'm going insane. Like, does it not need that parenthesis? Yeah, it doesn't need the comma. Yeah, it does. Am I doing the switch case incorrectly? Let me just see if the switch case works. How's it going, Codebreaker? Just coding, as you know. Failing at printing our section name. But at least we can compile that. Trying to figure out what could be wrong. Maybe it's because it's an F name? Maybe I have to do something like this and then to string. That could be our problem. Hot damn! So for the global game jam theme, Lost and Found for my horror game, should I just make a clown jump scare you for 30 minutes? I mean, as long as it fits the theme, why not? I think that would be hilarious. Okay, so now if we... and he says found you. Well, I mean, a lost and found would fit a theme of like, you know, you getting constantly chased down and you have to be lost and found or something. All right, so let's just go and end ability. There. Now I believe we should get these logs printed. Let's get available tools and output log. Oh boy. Where did my output log go? Did I close it? Oh, there you are. Alright, put you on another screen, bring you back. Oh yeah, he could be talking to you, looking for you. You can make a game where you lose your save game and you have to find it in game. That's kind of funny. Okay, so in theory now, if we swing our sword, that's fine. We should get things printed. So attack 1. Okay, so end ability doesn't do anything. So we're not able to activate it again. Oh, I guess we have to do the super. So let's stop. We gotta do the super for like all of these anyway. Super and ability. Handle. That. Is there another parameter missing? Oh wow, yeah. Okay. Same thing with activate ability. Okay. I guess we could do return super can activate ability, pass and handle that. I think that's all good. And the voice of Morgan Freeman saying, "I can smell you." Remember my RPG Java game? I kind of tried to mimic ability system, but in a simple way. I got attributes and gameplay effects going already. Of course, they have been simplified. I'll be implementing today's the set by color mechanic. Very nice, Codebreaker. I'm super jealous. You're way better at coding than me in general. So I'm happy you've made a lot of progress and you're doing well. And how's everybody else in your project group? Are they doing bullshit? I hope that's the case. What's the ending of a horror game? Death. Alright, so here's our... So attack 3, attack 1, attack 2, attack 3. Alright. So that's all good. Hey, how's it going, Lucky? How you doing? All the hugs, all the hugs. Death is easy, eternal suffering is worse. Woof. Hitting them with the existential crisis, huh? That's always a fun thing to do. Okay, so now we know we're getting the right part of the section name. Now we can actually play the montage. So we need some parameters, right? I want to make a couple parameters. So let's make a new public section. Let's make our lives a little more interesting here. Property, of course. We'll say edit. Is it edit anywhere or visible anywhere that we want? But whatever. Category. Animations. Then we'll call this. What is that? Is it Anim? Montage? I don't think this is the right kind of class that we need. Attack montage. And then we're going to duplicate a couple of properties here. Edit anywhere. We'll do category animations. Same. I don't know why I didn't just copy and paste that. I guess I wasn't thinking ahead. But we can copy this. We'll do F name, attack 1. I'll just copy and paste this whole thing. And we'll do attack 2. Attack 3. I don't understand C++. Me too stupid for this. Well, that's why. Well, we're all going to be stupid together. I think that's the way to go. We'll all go down the ship. Make sure to follow. Yeah, if you're not already following, yeah, follow for that 69 plus knowledge. Yeah, C# is good enough. Like we can do plenty of stuff. And I believe you said you switched to Unity, and I believe Unity uses C#, so you should be fine. Let's see if these parameters are what we want. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna get a compile error. I think I have to do class. Oh no, okay. Let's look at death.
A death.
I thought that was another video. Thanks for clipping me. All right, let's look at our properties. So we do have. All right, so we did it all correctly, so that's all good. So attack 1, attack 2, attack 3. We're gonna put these into our variables, and we're gonna put our attack in there. Now we can go back. Now we can replace this information. So instead of doing something like that, we could just do section name equals attack 1. And then attack 2 and attack 3. I'm famous now. Yeah, hell yeah. I'm YouTube famous. And if you don't already know, I did get accepted in the supporter creator program with Epic Games. So if you do buy any games off of the Epic Games Store, you can use my code Devin-Sherry. Give me some money, support the cause. Okay, so once we have the section name, we need to... okay, we gotta reference our feather fall ability because I forget how to do this, kind of. Yeah. Just copy and paste that. By the way, I got a question. Is it your job to do C++ coding? Because I heard your job is game dev, if I remember correctly. Yes, I do game development, but my job does not involve C++. I do everything in blueprints. I'm just trying to expand my knowledge of C++ and trying to get better in programming, which will obviously help with blueprints. And also just learning how the game engine works, just so I'm familiar with the different classes and hierarchy structures and stuff like that. Montage to play is going to be our attack montage. And we'll call this attack Anim instance. And we'll call this attack. What is it? Yeah, attack montage task. We're definitely going to have to include probably these two. If you've done it once, don't do it again. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta go beyond the job sometimes, especially in a creative field in the game industry. You always have to try to learn new things. Like, who knows how long blueprints are going to be around? Like, obviously, blueprints are probably going to be around forever. But what if they change something in Unreal Engine 5, or they do something weird, or they add another high-level language on top of that, and you just gotta be on your toes. Okay, so if attack montage and this task, and we'll call this what? Attack. What do we name it? Weapon attack. And then we gotta put in our montage. Okay. Then we got this task. And then we gotta go ahead and create an on-notified begin. We can just grab that from Featherfall too. There we go. And this is protected, okay. And notify. And create the implementation. Then we can do a couple things. We can first change the class. Well, yeah, we just gotta change the class.
Shouldn't have a problem with that.
We'll see. Just realized something. When I'm going to pick the coding line, we are going to start with all the boring stuff, and I probably at the time already know C# kind of well. That is going to be a pain for me not to laugh at what the teacher says. Yeah, you got to keep your snickering to yourself, Lucky. You gotta roll with the punches. Because like when I was in school, I was kind of a smartass. And plus the classes didn't do much. Like I did all my learning outside of class, and I think that's what you have to do in order to be successful. You can't just rely on what you learn in class and think you're gonna get a job in the game industry or any kind of industry. You have to go beyond that, and obviously it takes a lot of sacrifice and dedication and motivation and stuff like that. Yes, classes are useless for game dev. I wasted a lot of money on college. I'm in a lot of debt. The higher the level program, the slower it's gonna run. So I don't think they're gonna keep adding some. Yeah, who knows? You mentioned they will change the language, but removing nodes would make things difficult for some. Like I don't think they're gonna change like, because there's that rumor that they're adding this new like scripting language, because they like kind of showcased it for like the Fortnite education thing, and I forgot the name of it. You guys can look it up. I can't think of it right now. Okay, so we should be able to play the montage now. And now we can do, so I guess we can just do if notify name equals interrupt attack. Now we gotta do equals. That's a 0. Oh my god. Thank you. That's when we can end ability. How do we get the handle? Handle. Should be something with a handle. Featherfall ability, here I come. Yeah, current spec handle, there you go. Current spec handle. What's the next one? Current actor info. Then what? Current activation info. Untrue. False, I suppose. How do we do it in Featherfall? True and true. Well, we don't want it to say it's canceled. So we will say that's done. And then on inability we do that. Now, is there a way to update the rate? Sorry, is the mic too close to my mouth, or should I actually put it closer to my mouth? I'm sorry, I don't know if it's sarcasm. Bro, I have to do HTML, SQL, Java. Oh my god, okay. All at once in this semester, I have to project. Dude, your life kind of sucks. That's what it sounds like. Alright, let's just see if this works. And then we'll worry about trying to update the play rate. Okay. So compiled. Let's see what happens. All right. So we're able to oh. Yeah, I know why. We don't have to do that anymore. We don't have to do that anymore. All right, so it doesn't seem like. Oh yeah, we have to set the start section, but at least where you know the animation's playing. Okay, can we do like attack, montage, task? Play rate. Start section. Cool. Can I just do like equals section name? Okay, that's not valid. Why? Or is it like attack, montage, section, play rate? No. So how does this work in C++ where I can update like... Okay, so do I have to include this? Well, I already include it. It's a pointer note. Why are you using a dot? Like, I don't think the other way was working, was it? Okay, now what's wrong? Alright, it's inaccessible. Alright, let's see. Alright, so it's private. So all of these are private. So I guess I should make my own functions here to set them. I don't think so. Yeah, so let's see. Rate. No. I think I just have to make these accessible. We could just do public. And I don't think it has to be a U function, right? It can just literally be void set play rate float new play rate, and we can just say rate equals new play rate. Oops. I guess we could just do what, force inline. And I could just do something like set play rate. Just say 1.f. Let's make it ridiculous, just so if you can see if it's working. So. Oh my god, my ribs. Flash. He's the savior of the universe. I don't know if you know Flash Gordon. I don't really know Flash Gordon. He's from the 80s, and that's before my time. Okay. So yeah, let's see if we're faster than the Flash. Yes. Okay, so we know that's working. So we can go back into our hero montage and wait, and we can pretty much kind of copy this and just change what one we're doing. So force inline, set start section, f name, new start section, then we can just do start section equals new start section. What's wrong? I don't think anything's wrong. I think it's lying to us. So let's say, all right, allow us to override play rate. Allow us to set custom start section. Okay, that's all good, baby. And then attack, montage task, set start name. Yes, that's start section. Section name. Let's compile that. We're on a roll. We're doing good. Let's keep the good vibes going. So now he should be able to play and the animations change. Yes. Now, let's create a new parameter for play rate. New property. Edit anywhere. I spelled property wrong. Edit anywhere. Category. Animation. Let's give this all the same category name. And then float. Play rate. Then we could just put play rate in here. We don't need this anymore. I think that's the whole ability, right? For right now, at least. We just gotta make sure we set the play rate to 1.2. Maybe we should do that in the constructor. Probably not a big deal. But that's pretty much all of it. So we can get rid of that. You keep restarting the engine each time you want to change code. Isn't there something called live coding or something which allows you to test your code without having to relaunch the engine each time? There is hot recompiling, like this hot reloading and shit, but it tends to break a lot of the times. So I'm not gonna bother. So we can nuke that. We can delete that. Don't need to show inherited variables. Class defaults, play rate 1.2. Well, then I don't know what you're talking about, Codebreaker. There's the like literally this compile button that compiles the code on the time. Maybe I misunderstood. I heard that concept long ago. Maybe there is. I just don't want to bother with it right now. So, all right. So we have our attacks working just as they were before. So we're good. And I don't. What am I logging here? Why is that logging a B? All right, let's just do play rate equals 1.2f. Okay. Now let's look at our block. I believe our block is literally just a function call to tell us that we're blocking, and then we're waiting for the input. So we're gonna have to figure out how to do the input. I should always log from where it's logging. I believe I do log where it's logging. So, or are you saying like add text saying, "Hey, this is from this." Maybe it's in like endability or something. All right. Let's look at the block. How come you got confused with lights and Unity? What happened? Okay, so all we do is wait for input release, and then we have a delay, and then we update everything. It shot the lights through walls? Wow. Whoops. Okay, so we got that. All right, so let's do our blocking. So let's keep our attack. But here's our block. So block definitely needs these guys. And let's implement them all. And I'm still singing the Flash intro. Oh, sorry. It's catchy, though. I don't know if you guys saw Ted, that movie with Mark Wahlberg and that teddy bear, but the Flash Gordon was in that movie, and he was doing a bunch of coke. So you know it's good. I think that's all I need to bring. I need optional relevant tags. Yeah. And we need a semicolon. And we could just do super activate ability, handle. Is that all I need? No, trigger data. Yeah. I saw even TED 2. I think I saw TED 2 too. As well. Alright, let's just do super and ability to pass everything it needs. And then true and false. Okay, so we need the wait input release. So I believe that's in I think that's in the tasks folder of the gameplay plugin. Yeah, English class with me. I always cheated in my English class. I would never read the books, and I would just read the notes online from some website and just, bullshit my way into an essay and get like an A. So, a humble brag. Being a lazy fuck. Don't work hard, work smart. I think Bill Gates said that, so he's doing pretty well. Okay, so we have block. So this is, target is ability, task, wait, input, release. So I believe it's gonna be, what is it? It's not under plugins immediately, is it? Wait, input. Let's just see what we get. You got a lot. Okay. Oh, that looks like it. So was it release or press? I think it's release. Yeah. So wait, input, release. Where's the .h for that? Wait, input, release. So we should first have to include it. So hash include
They just like wait input, yeah. No. Yeah, so is it abilities? No. Tasks? Wait input. There we go. And it doesn't like that, okay. Does it like that? Guess it does. So we have that. So on activate ability, we want to what? We want to create that task. So is it literally like you? What does this thing look like? So it has that parameter. So float and time held. So we're gonna have to do something like this, I believe. Input, release, task. And how does this do it here? Does it have something similar? So it has this static wait input release. So do I do something like this? Like you ability task and then wait input release? This and what's the second parameter? I think it's the test already released false. I think that's still good. Let's try compiling that just to be safe. Okay. Now, it has that delegate. How do we write delegates again? So on notify begin. So we need what? The delegate handle, maybe? Let's see. So input, release, task. Let's see. We can never write dot. So on notify begin dot dynamic. Yeah, definitely not the way to do this. But let's get the whole syntax going. This. And then we gotta create a function. Now, does this function, it's in what? Public? It's protected. Okay, input, released, callback, callback. And this takes what? A float. Okay, time held. So on input, released, float, time held. We can just do that. Now we can implement this. Yo, how's it going, kids on the piston? Okay, I think that's all we need. So now I gotta figure out how to properly bind this. I'm doing good. Can't really complain. Working hard on this project. We're converting our blueprints from last time into C++. We already did the attack, so now we're just doing the block, which should be easier, but right now it's kind of being a little difficult. Alright, let's look at my custom task again. Ability tasks. That's fine. Yeah, not the difficult part. Yeah, so it should be this delegate. Oh, it's this one, on release. There we go. I hope. So, why does it say it doesn't have that? All right, let's compile and figure out the problems. When in doubt, compile it out. Sure, we're gonna get errors, but okay, no errors. Okay, we're the best. We're the greatest. Okay, so essentially we got up to this part. So this is what we do. I keep... Why can't it let me undo? Alright, so basically, now we have to check if... so now we gotta say, if time held is less than or equal to 0.1, we're gonna have to change that to an actual variable. So if it's true, okay, wait. So this blueprint just doesn't make sense. We could just end ability on release, right? Because that's where both paths are taking us. So we don't even have to worry about that. We can we just call end ability. End ability, and then we get current spec, right? Current spec handle, current actor info, current activation info, true, false. I don't like how it's just saying it. There's an error. It's a lie. Why are you lying? Oh my god. Okay. We're not out of the woods yet. But let me first... So, yeah, those are the same task. We now have to do a wait delay. So we also have to do that. So wait delay. Yeah, here we go. So a similar. Oh yeah. Have a good meal, my friend. Smacznego, as they say in Poland. Priatno in Serbian. Bon appetit in France and English. We don't need this montage and wait anymore. We don't need this input release anymore. So is it literally just the same directory but ability task wait delay? Let's see. wait delay. Looks good. Now we can do U ability, task, wait delay, wait delay, task equals U ability task wait delay. So wait delay. And we got pass and self or this. I guess we have to create a new parameter. Float time held. We'll just initialize that to 0.0f. Now we should be able to pass that in. Is that all that takes? Yeah. And then the so we have to get the callback. So we need to make another function. So it's an empty, it's a void one. So on finish. So U function void. So I'll just say, I'll call it something different. On delay finish. Maybe yeah, before we continue there, we can do what? Wait delay task on finish dot add dynamic. This U hero ability block on delay finished. And then when the delay is finished, we update the blocking state to true. So we could literally just say what? Get owning hero character, update blocking state, true. What's wrong? I don't know why that's wrong. Let's just we'll compile that too, and then on end ability, say false. All right, let's deal with the compile errors. I'm not sure why that's a problem. Yeah. Okay. Use of undefined type. Like, do I have to do something like this where it's like, you know, a hero player character like player equals get owning hero character and then do it like that? No? Why do I have to include it? I thought my base class included that. Let's look. What does Featherfall do? Okay, so it does include it, so we'll just do it too. It sounds like Donkey Kong Country. Yes, it is. I'm smart. Take that, Obama. Okay, so we should be able to just do that. make it true. So what do we have hard-coded? So time, that's supposed to be, that's fine. I think that's it. Oh. Okay, we compile, so we're good. Woof. It's super hard-coded. So let's go into our block. So we should be able to just disconnect everything. Okay. So it doesn't work. Why is that a problem? Oh my god. Everything just evaporated. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Ah! I don't know what's happening. I crashed it so hard. Yeah. Like, I know it's crashing. I would just like it to stop. Ah! Looks like it's recovered. In some way. Hey, FB Design, how's it going? Thanks for stopping in. I guess we should do something like this, like you hero player character. Player equals get owning hero character, then if it's a capital L. That's lowercase, okay. What's going on today? We're converting our attack and block blueprint abilities into C++. We already finished the attack, and we're working on the block. And then once we get that done, we're gonna start looking at a potential aim offset for the shield, so that you can like hold it in front of you, and then if you're looking up, it goes up, and if you look to the right, like that, stuff like that. Building functions, yeah. Okay. So yeah, this entire Visual Studio pretty much shit its pants. So I'm nervous now if it's gonna have to compile a bunch of crap. Like, unnecessarily. Okay, only 4 actions. What failed? Oh, it's A. Derp. And I should do that with the end ability as well. So let's do that too. I think it's fine to just copy and paste code like that. I don't want to make it a function. So let's see. We should be able to animate now. At least that's what I thought. Oh, actually, I know what the potential problem is. Well, not potential problem. I know what the problem is. This needs to be an actual value. I don't want it to be
Oh, this is Unreal. Well, if you're asking me if I prefer Unreal or Unity, I think that's not a good question. Like, I use Unreal, but like both engines are viable. Depends on what game you want to make, what your budget size is. I haven't used Unity in a decade, so I can't really say. Okay. So something's not getting called. I mean, Unity is tough, so is Unreal. Ding dong, your thoughts are wrong. What's that thing from Community where it's like bing bong sing along? Your views are Al Gore. It's like, your team's Al Gore because your views are wrong. So on delay finish, I don't believe is being called. So let's put a breakpoint. Let's try again. Yeah. So that delay doesn't work. Why? Why is this not getting called? Do I have to activate it? Yeah, that's probably what it is. Wait, delay task. And of course, luck has it, I'm not gonna get IntelliSense. So what do we do in attack? It's like ready for activation, so I wonder if that has a similar thing. Doesn't look like it. So Unreal had an issue with Apple. So yeah, I think like Unreal or Epic Games wanted to like remove Apple from their like in-game store so they couldn't get like a percentage of their earnings or something like that. And then so Apple tried to remove them from the App Store, and then they're, here we are now. That's probably like a bad summarization of it, but that's essentially what happened. I think we just call activate then. Activate. Try that. Yeah, Apple has a lot of control. There's all these monopolies going on. They're gonna control everybody. We're all screwed. Let's all solace in the fact that we're all screwed together, except for like the top 10, like top tenth of a percent. All right, let's see if this works. Okay. Yes. Our breakpoint got hit. Let's resume. Okay, and now we forgot the on release. Yeah, Elon Musk, our Lord and Savior, will help us. So we forgot to do this. Let's find this guy. So activate. Okay, perfect.
Input, release, task, activate. With our powers combined, you are Captain Planet. Yeah, no replies from Elon Musk. We've been trying to get him to give us a solid $1 million, but we're not getting any of it. I don't know if you guys have been tracking what's going on with GameStop stock. But I decided to buy. I bought 5 shares of GameStop stock today. I don't know if I'm gonna get any kind of money because it's like hundreds of dollars now. But all this shit's going down where like all these hedge funds are losing money because they bet against GameStop like losing stock value. So then everyone on Wall Street Bets subreddit started buying a bunch of stocks from GameStop. And so the stock went from $3 a share to like 300 and something a share over the course of like a month. And now everyone's trying to stop it from happening. Like all the Wall Street and like the government and like the apps that let you buy shares and stuff, they're like trying to stop you from buying any of it. It's crazy. Well, I mean, basically all it means like is, so for example, right now I think I have 4 shares or 5 shares of GameStop stock. And right now they're valued at like 200 or 300 or something each. So that means if I sell them, I have like $1,500. But if their value reaches like 1,000, I can sell them and I get $5,000. It's already a publicly traded company. They don't have to be bought or something like that. Like it's just a matter of knowing when to sell. So like people bought thousands of stocks when they were worth like $3, and now that they're worth like 300, you could sell that for like $300,000 if you wanted to. And yeah, Robinhood is blocking stuff, and now they're potentially talking about class action lawsuits and shit. It's crazy. Okay, now our blocking's working. Yeah, they're popping up everything. Yeah, 130%. Yeah, shit. Like, billionaires are losing so much fucking money. It's insane. Yeah. So I want to find quickly where this freaking log temp is coming from. So it has to be from our attack. Let's do current project. Find all. No? Yeah, like I don't understand any of this stuff with stock markets. I'm really just doing a stupid chance. Alright, let's do the whole fucking solution, which is gonna be bad. Oh yeah. Visual Studio is gonna shit itself. It's all fine. There we go. Okay, whatever. Let's not be butthurt about that. We'll figure it out someday. Will I buy a new GPU? No. Depending on how much, like, I think all of the money that I make is going to go towards paying back my student loans. If I make any money. I think I owe somewhere around like 50 grand. So if I can get that like rid of like in one shot, that'd be so dope. That way I don't have to throw money away each month. I can just save from there. Maybe I can use that money to put into stocks or something. Okay, so we're good here. So we don't need any information in there. I guess we should make a variable actually for hold time. We'll make it a private. No, it should be public. We'll make it a separate section anyway. Then you property, edit anywhere, category. I don't know what category should this be under with the time being held. I'll just say ability. Fuck it. I don't know. So float, full time. And then in the initializer, we can just say hold time equals 0.1. Ugh. And then we can just get rid of that. Put hold time. Also, if you're not aware, I was able to get the sponsor or creator program. So if you buy anything from the Epic Game Store, if you buy any games, use my code Devin-Sherry. You'll see it on the stream above me. Give me some percentages to help fund these social medias and this Twitch and YouTube stuff. Anything helps. That's the only money I'll ever ask you for is take money away from other game developers when buying books or buying games and then give it to me. Okay, so we have hold time, so we're good. And we're good. So now we can kind of look at aim offset. And there is a tutorial from Epic. Uniform aim offset. I just don't know if it's going to work because I don't really understand how aim offsets work. So this is going to be the tutorial I'm following. I'll put a link into the chat if you want to follow along, but it's going to be off screen because I can only stream one screen at a time. So we need to download the animation starter pack. So let's see. So library, no, Unreal Engine. Library, no, market. No, I think I have it in the library actually. Yeah, animation starter pack, add to project, show all projects. Hero, 4.25, add to project. Okay, boom. Let's see. Okay, so it was added to our project. What's going on? Oh, we have an update to darker nodes. I don't know if that's going to affect ours in here. Maybe it will. But we can go to plugins. Okay. It's not there. Cleaning up. Really taking a long time to clean up. Whatever. Let's not worry about it. So, Anim starter pack. So we don't need this anymore, do we? No. So I'm pretty sure I need to... Okay, so we first need to take our axe and shield, our animations in place, and there should be shield or block. Yeah, so block loop in place. Are the Sherry Berries followers? Yes, sir. Sherry Berries are the followers. So if I buy a game using your code, producing your day job, you basically get paid twice. Hell yeah. But I only get 5%. So if you aren't already a Sherry Berry, you gotta join and hit that follow. Okay, so we gotta create a copy of this blocking. So copy. We gotta open it. And what, remove from... Right click on the scrub bar in the timeline. Then choose a remove frame. Yeah, I want a single frame, but... Ah. Can I not remove all this? Oh my god. There we go. I shall be going. Have a good evening. All right. Thanks for stopping by, Codebreaker. I appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. All right. So we have that. But now we have this we can use in our aim offset. So in the aim poses folder, I guess we could just make an aim poses folder. We can create. Let's copy this. Why did it create it twice? Oh, because I have a filter. And we'll call this what? Block. Block center. I'll just say block center. Did I skip something? Let's see. Let's see. Aim space hip. Okay. We might have to retarget this. Make sure to have a similar target base pose. Why is it not showing any items? Like, it's literally using the same mannequin. Oh, I probably have to create the other one, huh? Let's see. UE4 retargeting. Let's read this. There we go. When you get done with this, can you show your to-do list? I can show you the to-do list now. So we already converted the attack. So we're investigating aim offsets. Then I would like to do a general cleanup of my attribute set, my UI, all the unnecessary stuff we don't need. Do a nice cleanup there. And then we'll have to start looking into interacting with certain objects. We'll have to also start looking at the inventory system. Crafting. And that's pretty much all we can look at right now. So I'll leave that up for a second. Because, like, one of the last things we're going to do is level design, I think. No problem. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so this is how we do it. So meshes, characters, mannequin, mesh. So, you target manager, and then select rig. So humanoid. Save, I guess. Guess we could do what? Hero. Rigs. Here we go. I think that's it. So retarget, duplicate. No? Let's see. Hero, character, bone mapping. This is all confusing to me. Why is this not showing? Why? Or do I have to do it like this? Like... Um... Does that change anything? There we go. Does it just take time to refresh or something? So accent shield. We target. Then we could just move the here. Oops. No, do I have it in a different thing? I think I might have closed it. Whoopsie. Okay, so that looks good. I lost the documentation. Crap. Sorry. Here we go. Okay, so block, center, down. I guess we could name it like block, center, and then block underscore center down. And then make sure it is on frame 0. So let's stop. And then click the next button and go to frame 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So remove okay, he's down. No. Why does this not do it right? What is possibly going on here? I don't like what this is. There you go. No? Can I do that? Re-zero at frame 0. There we go. There we go. God, I hate animations. Alright. Now we gotta do aim center up. I should really just copy. So retargeting. Let's keep this as the parent. So, and then create a duplicate of this. So they said what, Control W. And what they say, aim center up. So block, center up. And then frame 10. Oops. Frame 10. Re-zero at 25. Oops. This is just fucking, like, awful. This is like picking teeth. Oh, boy. Thanks for the follow, cows. Welcome to the club, buddy. You're Sherry Berry official. Okay, so he's up. Okay, so now we're aiming up. Okay. Save. Okay, so we gotta do this a bunch of fucking times. I hope this works, or else we're just wasting time. Ugh. But, you know, let's have faith, you know? Well, actually, I think we can maybe skip ahead, right? Nah, let's just do them all. Let's be good boys and girls. So we can duplicate this one. This is block. Center left. And it starts at frame 30. It's all about gaining that experience, you know? You gotta reach that next level. I did the wrong way. Okay, we're at 30. Okay, we're good. That one was a little faster. That's nice. We're getting fast as fuck. Okay. Left up. So block, left, up. So 40. So can we reframe at 35 and then 40. Um, okay. That's good. Oh! Oh man, time is flying by though. Sing the flash song, know you're fast. Coincidence? I think not. Bow, you're right, you're right. It's all connected. So that's left up. So block, left down. So 50. Okay, that was wrong. Okay. Good. Duplicate. Block. Right center. I just really hope this works. So this is frame 60. Okay, we're good. Block, right down. No, up. Okay. So it's at 70. Okay, right up. Last one. We're on right down and we're good to go. So block right down. So 80. Oh. Boom. Quickest one. All right. Now, I have to select all of these. Right click. Asset actions. No. Yeah, asset actions. Bulk edit via matrix properties. Then under additive settings, type mesh space. So selected animation frame. No, we gotta do the rifle hip. Um, Maybe it has to be this one. Let me just put. Which one is this one? So idle rifle hip. Idle rifle hip. That. So it's gonna be our blocking one. Okay. Oh, you would click this one to do that. Okay. Block loop. AP. Okay. So we're done. Oh yeah, that's why. Okay, I don't think I need this anymore. So now we gotta create an animation offset. Save, then what? Create anim offset. AO blocking. So now we got open this. And it says we have to have some parameters here. So horizontal and vertical, so x-axis name, yaw, minimum minus 90, maximum 90. Number of divisions 4, that's fine. And then pitch, pretty much the same. The name is pitch and everything else is the same. Okay. So now we just start putting stuff in here. What did I name this stuff with? Yeah, let me also just move this. So block. Okay. So center up. Ah, yeah, that was the problem I was afraid of. And then center down. Go there. Then where's left center? Oh, so center left. Oops. So, center left, you go here. Right center, you go here. Right down, you go here. Right up, you go here. Left down, you go there. Left up, you go there. So it's right in the center, but yeah, as soon as you start aiming, yeah, it goes into that. So yeah, we're gonna have to. I guess we'll need to have custom animation. So that sucks. That's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Yeah. Fuck. So yeah, we're gonna need our own animations for that if we want it to work. Yeah. I don't think there's a way to ignore any kind of bones either, is there? I don't think there is. So yeah, that was kind of a waste of time. But at least we learned for now that it's not possible. We'll keep these assets as it is, and then we might have to. Welcome back. So basically, we just wasted our time trying to get this animation offset. Because yeah, we need custom animations for the shield to be looking up and looking down, and then making that the aim offset. I think. Is there like UE4 make aim offset using only base pose? Is there a way UE4? Is there a way to create animations within Unreal Engine 4? Like, if you know what I mean. Let's see. So there is something like this. Editing animation layers.
maybe we could do something like that. Because we have block center. So can I duplicate this? So there's a skeleton tree. So you can do a key, okay. So can I literally just rotate it? No. I guess I could do something like that. So let's get rid of this Anim offset. Let's get rid of all these guys. Fuck them. So block, center, we'll do center up. And so spine. Add key. And save. Okay, so that didn't work. So do I have to do spine 1? So we'll do 40 degrees and then add key. Oh. Okay, can I literally, like, what? Do 40, add key, and that's it? Wait, let me just do 40 again. Okay, no, we're good. Add key. Okay, I think we're onto something. I think we're having a brain blast. And then block, center down. So we can create a duplicate, and we'll quickly create an aim offset. Black center down. So we'll create an aim offset just using up and down. No, I think we gotta. So we'll do 20. No, we'll do 30. We'll see if it looks stupid. So key. Okay. Now let's create a new aim offset. Well, first we gotta do all those changes. Asset actions, bulk options, animation, I believe. No, additive settings. So mesh space, yes. Okay, so yeah, we're good. So our mesh, save, create aim offset, move here. Now we should have block. So block center, center down, center up. And then we also gotta do yaw, minus 90, 90, everything else is the same. This was pitch.
Again, this is minus 90. This is 90. So that looks good. That looks pretty not bad. So, I guess let's just do the rest, right? So we'll do left. So duplicate, so block, left, center. This should just literally be spine 0, 1, world space. So add key like that. And then I guess we can copy this. So duplicate, block, left, up. Wait, this is not saving. All right, let's do this over. So add key. We'll do 60, then add key. Okay, so that's just wrong. How did I do it right the first few times, and now I'm just doing it wrong? So add key. 60. Save. So no. All right, remove key. 60. Done. I feel like I'm going crazy, right? I was just literally doing this. God damn it. Do I literally have to do spine, add key, add key? Yes, okay. So block, left, up. And it's like, so key. Key. Yes. Oh yeah, baby, it's all coming together. Block, left, down. Y'all losing your password, that's pretty funny. I wanted to do the game jam that they're doing because they had one as well here. It might be the same one, but I don't know. I got full-time job and I got shit to do, and I got plans this weekend. Key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's look at our aim offset. I don't know if that's the right direction. Like, yeah, it probably is. So left down, left up. Yeah, that might be too extreme. So let's look at left down. I think that's better. Left up. Let's just remove it. So 50. I think that looks better.
That has no spine.
Yeah, I know, right? Um, okay, so that looks decent. So now we gotta do the right. Yeah, we're almost gotta be done for the day. So block, right, center. We gotta do what, 50? Okay. So there, 50, bam. Okay. Block right up. So key. Oh, finally, Kingdom Hearts music. Key. Block right down. I think that's fine. Alright, let's see how this offset looks. We can always tweak those later. Let's just see if we can prove to ourselves that we got this. So block right center. Block right down. Right up. Okay. That's decent enough. So. How can we use this now? We'll think about this for a couple of minutes, but we're probably gonna have to switch this to a different stream. So here's our blocking loop. So are we able to blend together like an offset? So we have to create aim yaw, make it a float, then aim pitch. You guys can't really see that, but it's fine. I'm just creating two variables. So we can get the control rotation. Get control rotation. And also get actor rotation. Okay. Delta. I don't know what any of this math really is. R interp 2. This is the target. Then we want to make a rotator. And then aim, pitch, aim, yaw. We have time, right? Oh, we gotta make one. Okay. Delta time. Okay, time. And time is what? In trips, that's delta time, and then speed, they put 15. What? I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just reading this tutorial, so forgive me if what I'm doing is not making too much sense. Now we're what? Breaking this. Clamp. Angle? Minus 90 and 90. Okay. We need to do that twice. And then that's when we set aim yaw. And aim pitch. Okay. Then we put that and that. Okay, now let's see what this looks like in the previewer. So pitch, let's put 45. Oh. Um. I don't think he's not gonna be able to walk. So there's yaw, no pitch. And if I make it 90, okay. So can I not blend it like that? Or is it because I'm blending out? Okay, I definitely didn't do something right. I think it was spine 0, 1, and 1? Yeah. So can I then do something like this? So is pitch still 90? Yes! Yes! And I think I can kind of copy this into the previous state, right? Nah. Let's just do it like that. So let's see. I'm missing something. So use controller rotation, yeah. I think I do that in code, right? In our character. Let me look. We're getting close. But yeah, it's about that time almost. So player hero character. I think it's at the bottom, right? No. Or is it just character? Yeah, update blocking state. So I just want to see what happens. If we don't bother doing that and we just set it to false. Because it might be the values that we're setting as well that might be wrong. We'll have to investigate that a little more. Okay, and where's our character? Player, hero player character. So in theory, this should be what it is. So I don't think we're getting pitch, but we do see that kind of working. But I want to... So if... Let's just quickly... Let's see what the values are being printed as. So let's worry about yaw first. So I guess we don't really need yaw if you can move like this. Let's check pitch. Okay, so we're gonna have to change the offset. Abilities block. Asset details, so we'll do minus 45. 45. And then, yeah, same here. 45, 45. So we should see a noticeable difference now. See? Yeah, there you go. I'm just kind of upset. Like I'm sad we can't get that to work. Like we need to make this. See, I like how that looks, right? But then you know you I guess we can leave it like that.
Um, I still don't like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, like what it is, Sandra, is kind of just knowing what you want to make at the time and just kind of thinking about what to look up because like I know aim offsets existed. You know, I knew there was a way to edit animations within Unreal, so I just looked it up. It's just knowing what to make and how to find that information, I suppose. But I would like it to be different. Like I'm curious where if it's like, you see, I don't like that. I don't like being able to like spin in like a circle like that. But maybe that's just how it has to be. And maybe we can like slow down the rotation rate. But I would, in theory, like him to like I don't know if I should stand up, but like, it's like right now he's kind of like just gliding and stuff. I would like him to like move his foot placement as he's turning and stuff like that. I think that would be really nice. I just don't know how to do that. So maybe we can look into that later. But we kind of got it working. And maybe we should have like a swinging offset. But I don't know how to do that. Like I think I think that might be too much work right now. But we got pretty much everything. So now we have our basic character. He can run around, attack. Let's get rid of the print string. So what are you confused about? Is there something happening in Unity right now, or what? Oh, your own stuff. Okay. Code's broken. I heard that. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. We had a decent chunk of stuff done. So let's go ahead and close out of everything. What can we check off? So investigate aim offsets, we did that. So I think if I have time this weekend, we'll do the ability cleanup, the attribute cleanup, and stuff like that. And then maybe starting on next week. There should be some stylized assets. Sandra, did you find anything on the marketplace that looked like what I was looking for? What's in my basket? Stylized weather, okay. Loads. Can you give me an example just to look at? Do you remember the name? share the load. Oh, it's on Sketchfab. Okay. Let me see. Stylized environment. Like forest. No. So, yeah, I like this. This looks nice. So I'll add that to the cart. I would like to have different biomes in the game. Like, obviously, this is a forest. Maybe this is like, but this one's too stylized. Um, um, oh, no, that's not what I wanted. No, stop. Like Wild West. Like, is that too, is this like the same style? I think it looks a little bit the same. Um, I went to the third page. um, Because like I would like to have kind of like in Zelda, you had like the different biomes a little bit. You had the desert, you had the forest, you had the swamps. Um, Stylized graveyard. Mm-hmm. I like that, but it would be interesting to have like a graveyard in the game. We'll add it to the cart, and we'll kind of just buy things and just look at them. I'm not made of money. um, because I don't mind. Like I'll be fine with starting off with the forest. Like stylized desert. Um, like we'll slowly buy stuff over time. Nature pack. Kind of looks cool, but no. Is this the one you sent me? The stylized modular PBR graveyard? Probably. Yeah, the desert is nice. This one looks pretty cool. I don't know if it'll fit our style. Because I would also need like stylized wood, for example. Like when you hit a tree, I want like a piece of wood to kind of fly out, and then you can pick it up. Stylized nature. Nah. Yeah, potentially maybe we can make a stylized shader. But maybe not. Stylized village.
And this might be worthwhile. But I want to find, like, just, like, packs of, like, chunks of wood. Did I already get this one? Stylized forest? Ah. Stylized landscape. That looks okay. Stylized underworld. I mean, I kind of like that one. Where did that go? No! What happened? Stylized ruins. Like, where did that go? Stylized castle? I just don't know what I want to. I kind of don't know what I want to create. Stylized forest. Did we do this one? There's some rocks. Stylized nature. That's what we already looked at. Stylized Egypt. Ah, underworld. Here we go. Now we're kind of just like window shopping. Stylized fantasy turtle. Well, that is something you would need to figure out soon, pretty soon. What theme, what specific areas? Yeah, I know. That's one of the things I'm not looking forward to. Stylized lake, maybe. No, I don't like that. We can have pigs. It'd be interesting to have pigs, I think. Add to cart. I mean, can we look by... We have to be able to search by them, right? Yeah, very World of Warcrafty. I don't know, like, I don't know if I want that style, but I think the pig would be cool. Let's look into our... So we like this one by Nick Hochman. He has no other ones, okay. So Wild West by Sidearm. Okay, they got a bunch. So they got fires, explosions. That would be nice. Check out this and consider of it could help. 80 level. Ooh. That looks nice. Yeah, that's interesting. I'll hold on to that. Thanks. So he made, yeah, they made all these stuff, all this stuff. icons. That's nice. We might need some of these particles effects and sounds. Maybe UI sounds. Stylized forest pack. This one. No. I actually have the code. It works well, but I did not end up using it. Okay. Might come in handy, actually. Okay, I think that's enough window shopping. We're kind of just wasting time with our thumbs up our ass, so. Let's finish everything up. Let's submit to our repo. Let's see what we're missing. So source. Those are added. That's good. That's good. Jump. Check out. Ability task. We gotta check out. Attributes. We didn't change anything. Cheat manager. Yeah, we added those cheats a while ago. Components. Everything's good. Inventory. We need to add. No data. I think we're good there. Functions, game mode, game playability, yeah. Check out. Everything's good, everything's good, everything's good. Player character. Yeah, we gotta change that. Check out. I think we're good on the UI side. Player state. We changed something. Player state. Okay. Okay. Now, do we have everything that we want in content? Let's just mark everything for add. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. We're gonna have to clean that up. I guess we would have also had to add crouching. I don't know how crouching would look. We might need custom animations for that. Crouching. Or we can, yeah, I have an idea for crouching. We'll look at that next time. Okay, let's just submit everything. So attack plus block. Animations and abilities. Aim offset while blocking. What else is in here? Yeah, that's about it. Okay, now we go to GitHub. Now, we just don't want to include these upload to Slack stuff. Everything else. I guess, what? Oh, enhance. What does our thing say here? More info. You can just copy that. Commit to our GitHub. Push. we're good.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for the follow today, Cause. Sandra, thanks for stopping in and hanging out this time. Tomorrow, I'm not going to be streaming. So we might do some streaming on Saturday. We'll do some C++ and maybe some other stuff. So have a good night. See you later.